RC industry.
What's the matter, Gunner? Hmm? Hmm? Won't nobody love on you? Hmm? What's the matter? Can you talk it up a little? Huh? Okay, it's Rick here. I'm out here in the garden, and I've been watching some of the other folks here in Indiana that are gardening, and everything got done so quickly this year. A lot of people are replanting to try to get second crops, and I thought, well, why not? I got some seed. So what I did was, over here, you can see that I put in some lettuce, and then I put a row of spinach right here. And what I thought I would do is set you down over here, and I am going to plant a row of carrots. Okay, so I'm gonna just kind of come in here and make me a little row here, a little indentation. I don't know if they'll grow, but I've got the seed left over, so just as well try it. So I'm going to get my seeds down in here. Now I like to plant them a little heavy, and then I'll thin them out. And I don't know if you can see this or not, since obviously I have the camera on automatic. But and then we're just going to kind of cover this up lightly. And it just rained last night, so this is nice and damp. And I water it every day anyway, if it doesn't rain. So we got us another row of carrots, and we should have some. Of course, the gourds are just going crazy, trying to take over everything. But we do have some green bell peppers. Now, I was watching some gal up in northern Indiana, and she said she tops her bell pepper plants to make them have bigger bell peppers. So I did that on this section, and then over here I let them grow. And I thought, well, we'd see. And I've been picking them off of here, but they don't get very big. There's one there, that's a pretty small one yet, but you know, it's got some small ones on it. So we'll see how that turns out. And I got some jalapenos coming on over here, finally. Now that my cilantro and everything is already done for the year. But next year I'll know not to plant the cilantro until later, or at least go ahead and plant some early, but then plant some later on, so that, you know, you got, so it's not all ready at the same time, I guess. And then, of course, this is my, oh, what is that stuff called? I forget now. Parsley. Not parsley, but, oh, I'd never tried to grow it before. Can't think of the name of it. Ain't that awful? Anyway, there it is. I'll think of it in a minute, and I'll scroll it in across the top. But I've never grown that before, and it didn't get very tall. So, celery is what that is. But anyway, we'll see what happens. Looks like I got a little onion over here. I need to pick some of these weeds out of here too. Oh yeah, there's an onion. There's an onion. Okay, they didn't get very big, but they are quite good. I've been eating some of them. And then I got this thing here that I picked up. It's a garlic, and I've never grown it before. So I guess you cut this off, and then inside of here is those little bulbs. That's what I'm guessing, so we'll find out. Anyway, gourds are doing really good. Lots of them, that's for sure. And we'll be making some birdhouses out of the ones we hung up to dry last year on the channel. be doing that this summer. Oh, get off me. Some kind of a bug. Yeah, you can see there's a big gourd there, kind of hiding. And there's a really big one over here. Let's see if we can get a picture of him. Yeah, it's a big one. Can't see it too good on here because they blend in. But anyway, well, while we're out here, let's just go look at the hops. It's growing clear on up there, but I never did see it bloom this year. Well, there might be a little one right there. I don't know if it'll focus in on it or not. Yeah, there might be a little one forming right there. Anyway, such as it is, this thing is not automatically focusing. What is going on here? Oh, technology. All right, well, let's see. I appreciate you watching the video today, and be sure and like and share. There's my helper. Are you going to help today, Gunner? It's going to be another hot one. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe. I was looking at the analytics, and only about 35% of you that watch my videos are subscribed. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch them. But if you're going to take the time to watch them, well, just reach on up there and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And hit that other thing over there with the bell. They call it ringing the bell or whatever, but if you'll highlight that bell, then you'll get a notification every time we put up a new video. And that helps my channel. So appreciate you watching. Till next time, bye.
I was walking down the street, I was minding my own affair.
Run, Tallulah, run! Hi, baby.